Basic Skill Bootcamp, Part 1. In today's lesson, students will learn how to use touch math to solve basic addition problems. Students will be using touch math. They'll be using what? Very good. So, I have a question for all of you. Who still uses your fingers to add or subtract? Raise your hand. Come on, be honest. It's a lot of you, right? And there's nothing wrong with using your fingers, but this year we're going to try a different strategy, and the strategy is called touch math. What is it called? Touch math. So the idea behind touch math is that each number has that same amount of dots, okay? So 1 has 1 dot, and it's at the top, okay? 2, the number 2, has 2 dots. 1, 2, okay? 3 has 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. How many dots do you think 4 has? 4 dots, right? Look where the dots go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so look at the number. Now 5 has 5 dots, that's right. But you need to look at where the dot is. The dots are on the 5. We're going to say 1, 2, 3, and then there's the belly of the 5, right? So you're going to put a belly button, that's going to be 4, and then 5. Does that make sense? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 5 has how many dots? 5 dots, okay? So make sure you copy down where the dots are on your paper now, okay? All right. So 6 through 9 are different because they have double dots. They have what? They have double dots. And double dots you count 2 times. So, for example, for 6 you're going to say 1, 2, okay? 3, 4, and right here where the circle meets the line is 5, 6. So when you count this, and you touch it, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 7 has 3 double dots with a single dot. So you start right here, you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 at the top. Okay, does that make sense? 8 has 4 double dots. So you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now 9 has 4 double dots on the leg of 9 and 1 on the belly. So we have 4 double dots with 1. So count with me, start here. You're going to make your double dots. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1 on the belly. 9. Okay. So go ahead and get that down. Okay. So why do we use touch math? We use touch math so that instead of counting with our fingers, we either count forward or backward and touch the dots on our paper with a pencil. Okay? So why do we use touch math? We use it to count forward or backward, and we touch the points with our pencil instead of count with our fingers. So let's see how we use these touch dots when we add. Now in these problems, what do you notice? Do they have touch points? No. So you're going to practice making touch points with me on these, and then you're going to do the addition. So this one says in example 7, you have 6 plus 8. Remember, 8 has 4 double dots. Make them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So let's go ahead and count forward. Say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very good. Okay? Okay, 6 has 3 double dots. Make them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So first you're going to add the ones place. You're going to add 2 plus 6. So say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're going to bring down the 1, okay, because 12 plus 6 is 18. In example 9, you have 64 plus 27. Make the dots with me on 7. It has 3 double dots with a single dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's go ahead and make dots on the bottom numbers. So we're going to also make it on 2. 1, 2. Okay? So you're not putting dots on the top. You are not putting dots on the top. Are you putting dots on the top? No. Because you're just going to say the top number, and then you're going to use the dots to count forward. So let's start with the ones place. Say 4 and count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Put down the 1, carry the 1. Okay. Start with the 6 and say 6, 7, 8, and then count the number in the box, 9. So the answer is 91. Let's look at example number 10, and what I want you to do is put the dots on the bottom number. So the bottom number is 24, so let's put dots on the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and dots on the 2, 1, 2. So you say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, put down the 2 and carry the 1. Start with this 3, say 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 62. Okay, let's do the next problem. These are both for 11 and 12, 3-digit addition. The first step to this is put touch dots on the bottom number, which is 352. So 2 has 2 dots, 5 has 1, 2, 3, 1 on the belly, 4, 5, and then 3 has 3 dots. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now we can use the dots to count forward. 9 plus 2, you say 9, 10, 11. Put down the 1, carry the 1. You say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and carry the and then count the 1, 8. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So count back 1, 2, 3, put a comma, and the answer is 1081. All right? For the last one, let's go ahead and put the dots on the bottom number. This says 698 plus 554. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry the 1. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then add that 1. 15. Carry the 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So go back 3 spaces or 3 places and put a comma. The answer is 1,152. So go ahead and get that down. So let me explain. Once you know where the touch points are on the number, you will begin to touch that place even if the dots are not there. So that is what we're working on. We're working on using the points, okay, and memorizing where they are so that we don't have to draw them each time, okay? So I hope that was helpful for you, and tomorrow we will continue with touch math.